What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Man, we dropped that road glide off yesterday. We even got a ride on our 2020 road glide, man, but that is definitely not the topic just yet. We are on our way back up to Harley, man. They didn't crack the code. Not only did they crack the code, they got a whole nother key fob and stuff for us, man. So I can't wait to get to Harley, get that thing started. We got to go get a battery and stuff first because, you know, they're not hooking us up that much, man. But meanwhile, can't wait to get there, get that thing fired up, get it loaded up on the truck, get it brought back, and we can check it out more here in person, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2020 Road Glide special here, yes, I am giving it away along with my Road King, man. Head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Copy you a burgundy and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. You buy one hat, you have the option to win either one. You buy two hats, you may just be lucky enough to win them both, man. So the choice is yours. Head over there right now and go get your entry. I can't wait to get this show on the road, so let's get it, dog. Alrighty, just made it to Harley. Got the truck ready to go. Got mama out here. Let me see your jacket. Turn around. Ooh-wee. Let me see the back of it. Let me see. Turn this way. Ooh-wee. I like your jacket. Let's go get this motorcycle. Ready to go get it? Okay. Alrighty, guys. We got our 2017 Road Glide special here. They done got us some new keys, a new security system. So now we got two keys for this bad boy. I'm pretty firm and sure when we plug up this new battery, it should fire right up. Not only fire right up, but we should get some power and just see and test this thing out, man. So I can't wait. We got mama here with me, so we're gonna try to get this thing in motion real quick now, shall we? It's time to see what this thing is about, y'all. Oh, we got power. We got power. Let's see. Let's hope for the best. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about, big dog. Yes, sir. Ooh, I know y'all hear it. I know y'all hear it. Look at them custom dynamic lights on that joint. Look freaking fresh. Yes, sir. That is what I am talking about. Yeah. Let's see. Oh my God. Woo. That shit sound cold, man. Let's get this thing on a truck. Mama, how you like the motorcycle? You like it? It's loud. We finally got this thing loaded up, started up on here. I cannot wait. That freaking S&S Sidewinder pipe sounds amazing. Now it is a catless pipe, so it sounds a whole lot better than the regular S&S Sidewinder. You know they got two versions, but all in all, I'm really excited, man. This thing fired right up. All it is now is just like cosmetic stuff. So we already got our inner and outer fairing on the way, man. I know it looks ugly right now, but y'all know my style, man. So all in all, really happy about it. Time to head to the house, get this thing looking like Ma. So let's slide. Yo, yo.
Morning.
What's up, man? How you doing?
You all right?
Nice meeting you.
My pleasure. I heard it.
You like the sound?
Yeah. So I wanted to know what that was.
It's the S&S Sidewinder pipe without the cats.
Is it?
Yeah, the 2-in-1.
All the way up, right?
Yeah, all the headers and everything. So, I mean, it's quiet, but I mean, it makes
it sounded really good.
Appreciate it, man.
Mine is still stock, so
oh
I'm
yeah,
just shopping around on.
Oh yeah, man, you gotta get the pipe stand, man. That's next on the list, man. I hear you got an accent. Where you from, man? Australia?
I used to be British.
Oh, British. Okay.
Yeah.
I was
what
close.
About you?
I'm from here. I'm from LA.
Oh,
yeah, I'm from LA.
Well, that ain't here.
Yeah,
okay.
well, yeah. No, for sure.
Yeah. So she's a work in progress?
Yeah, man. I build bikes up from the ground. So this is basically my new project I got. I had to get it a new key made for it. So next time, if you got like YouTube or something, you can see all my builds and stuff.
Yeah, who do you go by?
Alrighty, guys, we got that thing loaded up, ready to go. Oh man, I can't wait to get to the house. Man, that thing sounds amazing, man. Y'all heard bro come up. All right, man, what kind of pipe should go on there? British guy, man. Cool accent. Love the sound of this bike, man. And it brought him all the way over here. So that's a good sign, man. I can't wait. You ready to go? All right, let's roll then, player. All righty, man. Just made it to the crib. Time to get this thing offloaded. Let them know where you live. Because it is time to shine, man. That thing sounds amazing. Let's get it off. And now that we got Bae in here, we know she run, but before we cut her back on and enjoy that sound, man, I'm gonna get these bags back on here, make the bike look a little bit more decent, man. So I got a little, I got my girl's freaking hair blower right here. You're gonna get this sticker off because that's gonna be the best way to get it off without leaving too many marks on it, man. Alrighty, man, we got the bags on there, got it cleaned up. Looking pretty decent. Bags look good. None of that sticky stuff on the top there no more. Got our engine bay and everything up here looking pretty decent. I'm liking it, man. Got a few parts to get. Like I said, we already got the parts and stuff on order, man. So no big deal there. Got some nice floorboards on here. Some nice Harley floorboards, man. So whoever had the bike definitely cared about it. We do have the S&S Sidewinder pipe without cats on it. So that thing sounds amazing. We did have to get a new whole like security module to this thing, which gave us like 2 keys now. So that's a plus. So that's sick right there. I can't wait. Meanwhile, everything is working on here. Our radio is working. Our headlights is working. So that's always a plus, man. Those are usually the main components, not the main components, but the most expensive components. And then you guys remember our hand controls was like stripped out. We got both of those. We got those tightened down and fixed and ready to go. So our hand controls is good to go now. So let's get this thing fired up and see what happens, man. Woo. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now we did hook up our bags, and our bags has the lights on it, so that's pretty dope right there. Like I said, it's got no cat, so it's got a real beefy like sound to it. I'm digging it. I love that 2-in-1. Sounds really great. Yes, sir. I know the neighbor's probably like, bro, it's like 9 o'clock, bro. Come on, dude. Anywho, I'm digging it though, man. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. I can't wait to get this thing going and on the road. We can probably pretty much ride it now, test drive it at least, and go up from there. But I don't know. We're gonna have to see what's up. Hot, back up. It's hot. Yes, sir, man. I think by the sound of that alarm, man, it is definitely the right exhaust setup on this joint. It's sounding beastie, riding amazing. Now it's literally just cosmetics. Once we get our inner and outer fan in the mail, which should be in a couple days, man, we can either put that thing on there because it's already black and just finish the bike off something subtle and easy, or we can just go crazy with it and throw our own taste on there. I'm thinking I want to throw my own taste on there just because this is something I can enjoy for a while. So I don't know. We'll see what happens, man. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below, man. It is time to park this thing up, wait on the rest of the parts. Meanwhile, man, it is time to get a first ride on our 2020 Road Glide Special, man. So come on, let's load up and take a ride with your boy, man. Alrighty, guys, here we are on the outside of the outside. Let's get that beautifully. First stop. Yes, sir. Y'all let me know which one sound better, the black 17, the black Road Glide, or this Road Glide. I know which one looks better, but let me know which one sounds better, man. This thing looks so lovely in the sun. It's time to get this thing rolling, man. I can't wait. Let's hop right on it, dog. I'm gonna catch y'all in the wind. Alrighty, guys, we have made it to one of my favorite spots out here, man. You guys know I haven't been on this ride in a long time, man. Fixing these bikes up, we never really get to ride them no more, and that was just a really fun ride. This bike is riding amazing, looking even better, man. That color scheme out here in the desert looks just oh so great. I love that gray to that purple fade. Just looks so freaking great, man. I am digging it. Like I said, riding really good. Looking even better, you guys. Let me know what you guys think about it so far in the comments below. We are just at about 2,000 miles. Let's see.
Monday, sunny.
Yeah, we got about 2,016 miles on this bad boy, man. So this can be yours, man. All you got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com right now, copy you a burgundy and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. It looks complete right now, but we just got to throw the crash bar on there, get that turn signal connected, and then throw a bushing up there. But for the most part, it is pretty good, man. What do you guys think about it? Let your boy know. In the meantime, man, I ain't showed y'all no slow-mo or nothing like that in a long time, and I think this bike presents itself really good. And somebody's gonna park in my background and take our freaking view, man. So we're gonna see what we can get done, dog. Now that we done got y'all some good slow-mo, man. Oh my God, I'm loving it. Let's hop on this thing and let's slide, man. just like that, guys, we made it back to the crib all in one piece. This thing rides so smooth, man. I low-key wish I had a backrest for it, man. Man, this thing is a freaking eye catcher. You just see this thing in the right, like, sunlight. Oh, my God. It's like you can't double look at this joint, man. I'm digging it. Let me know what you guys think about it, what you guys think about the ride. We got our 2017 here started today. We got the keys and everything for this bad boy here, man. So it's time to get this thing situated. Literally only waiting for the inner and outer fairing on this joint. And we'll be getting cracking on this one. Now, I don't know if I'm going to keep this black or do this color scheme that I've been thinking about. So, I don't know. We'll see what happens, man. If you guys haven't, though, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2020 Road Glide special, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Copy a burgundy and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We are giving away our Road Glide special and our Road King, man. First place is the Road Glide. Second place is the Road King. But you guys know second place is never feels like second place. That bike is just as amazing, man. So I can't wait. If you guys haven't entered, head over there right now, man. Buy one hat. You have the option to win either one. Buy two hats. You might be lucky enough to win them both, man. So head over to everythingsregular.com right now and copy your entry. Meanwhile, Road King should be here tomorrow, so we'll get that covered and get everything going, man. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in, man. What did you guys think about the ride today? It was freaking fun. I loved it, man. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below, man. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway, head over to everythingsregular.com right now and copy you a hat. That'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, it's time to go in the house, get ourselves re-situated, and see what's next on the list, man. So in the meantime, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.